Hello guys, welcome to our .NET interview series or the next question that we will discuss about the garbage collection, or this is the very important question where the 99% candidates fails to answer to this question. Okay, well, along with that, interviewer always checks that he wants to know is this candidate have the capability to give this answer or not, this if you this if you can give the answer correctly. Okay, so just drop me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely give you the shout out you as well. Okay, or if you don't know, please stick till the end so that you will get to know about the garbage collections and what are the types of the garbage collections in .NET. Okay, and why we need the garbage collection as well. Okay, so garbage collection is automatic memory management system. Okay, where whenever your object is no longer in use. Okay, so it will freeze up your memory as well. Okay, so this is the capability of the garbage collection. Okay, or it always make your application faster as well. Okay, or this is the it always enhance your performance of your application. Okay, so this is the main purpose of the garbage collection in the C sharp. But in terms of C or C++ language, there is no any such things available in like a garbage collection. Okay, like you have to do manually as well. Okay, but in the terms of C sharp, okay, so GC or automatically allocates the memory, track the objects usage. Okay, and freeze unused objects as well. So this is the power of the garbage collections. Okay, so we will see how the garbage collection works in the C sharp. Okay, because you know it is not a good idea about the definition of the garbage collection. That's it. No guys, it is not okay. So GC runs when, okay, you should know when the GC runs. Okay, so whenever the system memory is low. Okay, so at that moment your GC will hit let me write the things for you so that you can as well. Okay, so please keep this thing in your mind. Okay, whenever your GC run as well. Okay, GC not run at any time. Okay, it is not like this, like a GC is running all the time. No, it is not okay. Whenever your system uh, is low on memory. Okay, so in such case, in this case, your GC will run. Okay, or there is an another thing, and there is another condition where your GC will run. Okay, or there are two three conditions that you will get to know. Okay, whenever your heap memory is full. Okay, or whenever you call that GC dot collect method. Okay, so in this scenario, your GC will run. Okay, so this is the things you should know about the garbage collection. Okay, or in these scenarios your garbage collection will run. Okay, or the key idea of the garbage collection is GC removes objects that are no longer in use. Okay, so this is the thing where you should know about the garbage collection as well. Okay, or let me show you that how the garbage collection works. Okay, or how the in which scenarios your garbage collection will run. Okay, and guys, let me put this thing here. Okay, or guys, please take a screenshot of this screen as well. Okay, so that's why you have the notes on your mobile phone as well. Okay, so whenever you create, suppose this I'm going to create a class, person class. Okay, or suppose we have public string. Okay, or name. Okay, or that I am just putting it as a getter or setter as well. Okay, so get or set. Okay, so we have defined these properties, this property in the person. Okay, or somehow what I am trying to here. Okay, now let's create another class. Okay, I would name to it as a details class. Okay, in the details class. Okay, what I'm trying to here. Okay, simply I'm just creating object of this class. Okay, so that we can confirm. Okay, or at this moment I must say that your object is allocated on heap memory. Okay, So in such scenarios, okay, like your object is like allocated to heap memory, okay. So you should know the things like whenever you create an object of any class or anything else, okay. So in such scenarios, like you always allocate your object to the heap memory, okay. So in these scenarios, like your GC will work, okay. So suppose somehow the object becomes null, okay. So in this scenario, in this scenario, my GC will run here, okay. Okay, so like GC runs, okay. So like in this scenario, okay, like whenever the object is null, object gets null, okay. So here the GC will run, but it is not like whenever the object is null, so it will so your GC will run immediately. No, it is not like your GC will run okay at a certain moment, okay. Okay, so like it is not like whenever the object is null, so your GC will start immediately. No, it is not like this, okay. Or like there is the most important concept this condition I call it as a object unreachable, okay. So like this condition I call it as unreachable, okay. Or interviewer can ask you like what is the object unreachable, okay. Which condition I should say like this object is unreachable, okay. So this scenario I must say it as an object unreachable whenever I create like a object, okay. Or after that somehow the object is assigned as a null, okay. So this scenario I will call it as a object unreachable, okay. Or like GC will not run immediately to clean this unnecessary object as well, okay. So this is the things behind the GC collections, okay. Or you have to answer your interview in this way as well, okay. Now let's discuss about the generations of the generations in garbage collections, okay. You should know that how many generations is available in the garbage collection. So there is a generation 0, which I called it as a short lived objects, okay. Another is generation 1, whenever the object is survived after the generation 0, okay. So this object will I will call it as a generation 1 object, okay. Or in this scenario, like your garbage collection will start here, okay. Or at this in this generation 1, okay. Or it I will call it as a medium lived objects, okay. Now the next thing that I will show you, okay, like medium lived objects, okay. Now it is now let's go to the generation 2, okay. I will tell it as I would name it as a long lived object, okay. Like somehow object is still alive after the generation 1 garbage collection, okay. In such way, like I will call it as a long lived objects, okay. Or it always works with the long lived. In such scenarios or in such conditions, you can define define your garbage collections on the basis of the time span of your objects as well, like how much time is alive of your objects, okay. So in such scenarios you can define your garbage collection generations as well, okay. Now let me show you one important thing that whenever you call it as a generation 0 as well, okay. Or guys, there is one thing like generation 2 is a very expensive as well, okay. It can cost you very much, okay. So please try to create your class as low as possible, okay. So that's why your object will not survive till generation 2, okay. So this is not a good idea whenever you create the objects like this, okay. Or it is still survive to the generation 2, okay. It will make you cost your application as well, okay. Now let's discuss about the generation 0 of your things. Okay, so suppose I want to create the method. Okay, or I will just create the method. Okay, or I will just name it as a generation zero. Okay, or what I'm exactly trying to hear. Okay, I'm just running a loop. Okay, or the loop will start from 0 till 10 times. Okay, or it will iterate 10 times. Okay, now I will create the object. Okay, whenever I will create the object like this. Okay, so I will just name it as a like this condition. I would tell it as a like a generation zero garbage collection. Okay, so this is the generation zero object. Okay, so in such a way, like whenever you create the objects like this. Okay, so this is the generation zero object. Okay, or it means like in terms of like a garbage collection, it is the short-lived object. Okay, so definitely whenever your garbage collection will run next time. Okay, so so this object will remove and from the like heap memory. Okay, so this is the thing, like you should know this thing. Okay, or the thing that I'm going to tell you about, let me write these things for you. Okay, like most objects. Okay, like mostly objects dies in generation zero. Okay, or the uh, surviving objects will reach to the generation 1 or 2. Okay, or generation 2 is most expensive as well. Okay, or it will make your application in trouble as well. Okay, so this is the good, so this is not a good idea. Like you are like you are actually trying to do this thing as well. Okay, like in which scenarios, whenever you create an API. Okay, or somehow like API is called. Okay, so in that condition, like what happens like whenever you create an object. Okay, so there is one thing, like whenever you suppose suppose this is my API. Okay, or I created I'm just let me create the application list for you. Okay, so now let's create the list as well. Okay, or whenever you uh, do the things like this. Okay, I would just make it as an integer. Okay, or whenever now let's add a few things in the list. Okay, or suppose I will just return it as like return. Okay, okay, so in such ways, your list will leave during the request as well. Okay, whenever your request is end. Okay, so it definitely, so or it will remove it will remove from the memory. Okay, like heap memory. Okay, or after request ends. Okay, it becomes unreachable. Okay, so suppose your request is end. Okay, so this list is not reachable anymore. Okay, so this is the thing behind the garbage collection that I already explained you. Garbage collection is a memory management system in your in your programming languages. Okay, it always frees up your unnecessary and in the unusable objects that are not using anymore. Okay, so this is the thing behind the garbage collections. Okay, or it will or this garbage collection so GC cleans it in generation zero. Okay, so this is the thing behind in the objects as well. Okay, now there is a few things that you need to know, if you want to work better with the garbage collections. Okay, so what you need to hear, there is the keyword which is the using keyword. Okay, you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, suppose just you have to use the using keywords. Okay, whenever you working with the streams, like file streams, memory streams. Okay, like instance of the database connections. Okay, or SQL commands classes as well. Okay, so in these scenarios you have to use using keywords. Okay, it is the automatic disposable, it has a automatic disposable things property as well. Okay, whenever this code block is used. Okay, so thereafter your object will flush automatically. Okay, and you don't need to wait for the GC runner as well. Okay, So like this is the thing, like using is the like best keyword to dispose your like unnecessary objects as well. Okay, so like whenever the object is is not usable anymore. Okay, so this is the things behind the using keyword. Okay, like whenever you want, want to maintain the like objects like this. Okay, so these are some basic fundamental concepts that we have studied about the garbage collections. Okay, or if you if you love this video, if you love this content, so I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, whatever as well. Or guys, don't forget to take this screenshot of this page. Okay, so that you will so that this screenshot will save in your system as well. Okay, or also I have draw all such things for you. Okay, or guys, like if you are preparing for the .NET interviews. Okay, if you are not able to clear your interviews in or you have tried a lot attempts, but still you are not get clearing your interviews, even you are answering to the interviewer in a very good way, in a very smart way. Don't worry guys, if you want any mentorship regarding the interview. Okay, so just tell me. Okay, or I have created I am available on the topmat.io. Okay, or this is the profile where you can find me on the topmat.io. Okay, where you can book your like interview preparation mentorship it will be one-to-one mentorship. Okay, I will guide you, or I will guide you the uh, things regarding the interview as well. Okay, like how to clear your interview and how to clear your next interview as well. Okay, or in a very smart way as well. Okay, or there is a very nominal price that I have set for you. Okay, like if you are preparing, if you want to crack your .NET interview in your first in the first go. Okay, or any kind of the interview, even in the fang level of the interview, I will guide you. Okay, or definitely in this 45 minutes I will make you to I will give the clear roadmap regarding the .NET interview as well. Okay, or I am creating the .NET interview playlist as well. Okay, or we are covering where we are covering all the topics related to the .NET interviews, but instead of the things related still there is few tweaks that you need to understand, like like uh, like at which point you are lacking in the interview. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to understand. Okay, or if you, and guys, there is a limited seats are available regarding .NET interview preparations. Okay, or if you want to prepare confidently for .NET interview with the focus one-to-one mentorship session led by me. Okay, so in this session you will learn, I will tell you how to prepare your interview, and what are the important questions that we are where the interviewer is asking nowadays as well. Okay, or common interview questions and traps as well, where the interviewer will try to make you in the trap. Okay, and how to get rid from this trap as well. Okay, so I will give you the solution as well. Okay, along with that I will guide you regarding the resume and the project discussion strategy as well. Okay, or I will take your mock interview guidance as well. Okay, or I will give you the improvement tips as well, so that you will get to know how to crack the interview in the first attempt. Okay, so this is the one-time investment where you can prepare your interview strategy as well. I will share you my personal level interview strategy for you as well. In this 45 minutes you will get to know all the things, and you will get the cheat sheets regarding the interview. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here. Okay, well guys, there is the one important that I want to discuss with you. Okay, right now, in our YouTube channel, we have completed four 745 members in our YouTube family. Thank you so much for your support, but we have to grow more and more in this year as well. Okay, or we are we have put lot of contents for you. Okay, along with that, today we have put Kafka and Zookeeper with Docker in S.NET Core. Okay, and if you want to learn event streaming using the Kafka. Okay, so in this video, in this 30 minutes, you will get to know all the things regarding the Kafka, like how to produce the stream, and how to consume the streams as well. Okay, So if you want to learn Kafka, so that's the very good thing, okay? Or like whenever you want to work with the like streaming, event streaming kind of the applications, okay? So if you love this video, if you love this content, so I just want to request you please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, to colleagues, or it as well. Or thank you for watching this video till here. Till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.